RF Connector Market Report. According to Cognitive Market Research, the global RF connector market size. It will expand at a CAGR of 8% from 2024 to 2031. North America RF connector market size of $12,061.68 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 6.2% from 2024 to 2031. Europe RF connector market share of over 30% of the global revenue with a market size. Asia Pacific RF connector market size of $6,935.47 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 10% from 2024 to 2031. Latin America RF connector market size of $1,507.71 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 7.4% from 2024 to 2031. Middle East and Africa RF connector market size of $603.08 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 7.7% from 2024 to 2031. Access the free sample copy to know the market dynamics, competitor analysis, regional analysis, country analysis, segment analysis, market trends, technological trends, SWOT analysis, and more.